in the region, 10 offices in the administration block of the Mampong College of Education in the Ashanti region have been destroyed by fire this morning. The Mampong fire station had to resort to reinforcement from the Ejra fire station to douse the flame. School authorities say the situation would affect the administration activities of the training institution. Prince Apia reports.
The fire, according to eyewitnesses, started between 7 and 8 a.m. on Monday. Some say the absence of a fire hydrant compounded the fire to bring the fire under control.
The market register around 8 o'clock. Class at the market register.
I was marking my register around 8 a.m. when I realized there was smoke coming out of the administration block. I quickly called my colleagues. It started around 7:45, 8 a.m. If we had gotten here early, we could have stopped the fire from spreading. The fire service had to call for reinforcement because the tank was empty. A committee should be set up to investigate what led to the fire.
The Ejra fire station came in with another fire tender to support the Mampong team before the fire was successfully doused. Suleimanu Ayi is Divisional Officer Grade 3 and the second in command at the Mampong fire station.
When we came, the fire was on the first floor, on the right hand side. So we were able to survey the whole place. So for now, it's only 10 offices that got burnt. But the ground floor, we were able to salvage it, so nothing happened there. So for now, everything's under control. For now, we are still with the investigation. We are on investigation. So at appropriate time, we'll come out with our findings.
Meanwhile, school authorities say they have lost school documents to the fire. Dean of Students Douglas Cranton says the situation will affect the day-to-day running of the school.
I was teaching when I received a call that the administration block is on fire. I quickly called the fire service. The cause of the fire is currently not known. All our documents have been completely burnt. This will affect teaching.
Prince Apia reporting.